Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to recreate my old scanner. That was a DOJI scanner. So we try to find a DOJI at the bottom and a DOJI at the top because this scanner is the most popular on my video, and I was making this videos more than 3 years back. So DOJI scanner, if you are searching with this charting, so maybe my video will came into the top. So this is what a kind of a doji candle, how we can create this particular scanner. So most of doji pattern which I have created, and this is also my one of my channel previously which I used, and this is what it's the most viewed one. So for a starting scanner that helped me to find a jackpot option trade. This one which I used my advanced option strategy along with this particular doji formation which find at the lower level, and you can see this is happening like 3 years back. So now I'm going to recreate the scanner, and those many people who are joined now my channel, and I'm going to create that charting scanner, and uh, without a repaint, and we have some modification also on the scanner that I'm going to create here in this video. And this may be my 13,000 subscriber special, so the I'm going to explain you everything so you can also follow the steps to create. And this is not a new one, and it is my old one, but it is the most perfect and working ones that I'm going to discuss with you, and I'm going to tell you the step by step method. If you skip, you may not understand. Just watch all the patterns carefully, or all the details what I mentioned here, that you need to follow the steps, and you may be able to create the scanner. Okay, let me try to create the scanner with the charting. I'm just creating the scanner, and you can change this for finding an opportunity, like bottom. So now market is already almost 2000 points corrected from the recent top around 26,200. Now it is almost 24,000. So maybe if market reversed from this level, we have a lot of opportunities we can find out at the lower level. So maybe that scanner will help you to find out such a kind of opportunities. And let me step by step, I'm going to tell you. So doji, doji which forming a pattern like a open equal to close or same. But if you are normally use open equal to close, so you may be missing a lot of doji candles, because this is also be a doji candle, but you may be missing that because it is not an exactly open equal to close. And look at this open is 2691 and 2690. So 1 point, almost 1 rupee 25 paisa is the different, but the candle is looks like a doji. But what is the doji formula? Is exactly open equal to low, everyone who knows. But how we can fish this kind of variation, the difference between plus level or minus level? Maybe in this case it may open by 2680, but sometimes it close to 681, or sometimes it close to 679. So but this is also looks like a doji, na? Maybe a small thing. So how we can effectively fetch with the charting scanners? Okay, so that's a formula already we have created, and now I'm just creating for my new subscribers who are subscribed for charting scanners. So the closing price, the daily, I'm just creating a daily, it must be greater than or equal to. Okay, so and with the daily open, so open equal to close, that is what a doji, right? Or close equal to open, both are same. But here, and I'm just going to adjust with the open price adjustment, like above some points or below some points. That is what my key concept, where I'm just going to use it. And open, I'm just adding minus, and I'll be adding a bracket value, and then I'm just adding the opening price of today on the same day, and I'm just going to multiply with the open price into number, very less number of, for example, 0.003. What it says, for example, today open price is 100 rupees. Okay, so I'm just adding, it's greater than equal to. So that means the today's open price is 100 into 0.0003. So that means it, the open may be 100 and the close may be 100.003. That is also acceptable. That I consider as a doji candle. Here I'm just open minus, na? So I will be less than. And one more thing. So here the same kind of pattern where I'm just adding, but here it less than equal to, and here open I'm just plus adding the values. So what it says here, for example, what it will fetch you. For example, 100 rupees open, 0.03, right? So if the stock opened at 100, sorry, 100, it closes by 100.03, or it may be 199.70 or 99.96, maybe 397. So this variation, if open and close, it will be considered as a doji. Okay, so let me check this, how it consider as a doji. And let me go for Canfin Home Tata Consultancy today, TCS. Okay, so it looks like a doji. Okay, so here for 4,757.05, 4,057.55. So there is a variation, open and closing price is 50 paisa. So that percentage we consider this also valid doji. Okay, so you can filter out. So if your doji means doji can be happen on high volatile stock, that means it can be happen purposely for a trend reversal, or sometimes it can be happen in a low value stocks and in a range bound market. So to avoid that, so whether it is happening for a range bound, or if market doesn't move anywhere, you may be finding a many dojis. For example, any range bound areas where we can able to find out from this chart. Maybe here you can see that. So many doji candles are formed, or spinning top kind of thing. So in this area, it is a range bound. There is a doji and a hammer, and again a spinning top, doji, inverted hammer. So in a range bound market also, the doji can be formed possibly, and for a trend reversal also, the doji can be formed. So in decision, okay. So let me try to add some filter. The closing price, close of the particular close, a particular candle should, that means a particular stock value number greater than 300. This will fetch you only stock value above 300. Okay, so why I'm adding this condition? For an example, if I'm using a cash segment, so if I'm adding running those, so you can see how many stocks which forming a such a doji candle. Okay, so many stocks, a stock value of 46 paisa. So why it is forming a Swarna ISC Sun William? Let me search this stock. Look at this. There is no movement, or always no volume with upper circuit daily. It is also doji candle, open equal to close. And today also doji candle. It doesn't move. 46 paisa is the stock value. So avoid that. If I'm clicking this button, it will be filtering out only the stock value is 300 rupees value. Okay, so normally I'm not using equity, so a lot of stocks which came, so which one I would find out, it's very difficult. So I'm just finding out future stocks, only 3 stocks, all are good liquid stocks. So let me go for a PEL. So doji, perfect doji. Okay, so I need the doji candle should be formed at the lower level. So how I can find out? The lower level, normally we can use day low equal to monthly low, something like that. If that can be triggered, so normal condition what we can use it, the low of that particular daily is less than or greater than monthly low. So this is what one more condition which we can use it, but this will repaint. Why? How it will repaint? But if you finding out, I will save the scan. I'll finding out lot of stocks, and you can see how many stocks. You find a lot of stocks, right? But it's showing you clearly the scanner will be repaint. Why? But here we previous video we discussed 2 different conditions is always be a repaint. So here also the condition which showing you the repaint one. So why it is showing you the repaint one? because of we are finding this for monthly low. If monthly low is breaks and day low equals to, let me use it, day low equals to monthly low. If you're finding very few number of stocks, and this is also repaint. How it is repaint? So where you can see here 9th September we have a S cards. If you look at S cards 9th September here, and it was an huge move, and on that particular month it never breaks the that particular low. Okay, the monthly we used 1 month low or the calendar month low. In the same calendar month, if the stop loss triggers, then the stock would be removed from the list. I hope you understood. And even it is working one NTPC. Monthly low is a stop loss or the low of the stop loss. What is the date? 16/8. So here is the 16/8 here. And this may be broken on 6th September. It is in August. September only it broken. The calendar month that doesn't broken. If any stock which broken the low by the calendar month, that would be removed from the list. Maybe initially it shows, but that would be removed. So that is what the logic. Maybe here you can see this is the highest level, and this one 19th September it forms such a pattern, but the next 2 or 3 days it removed. But the stock initially shows in the scanner, and finally it will be removed after this high is broken because the month high is a new high. But this one, the month low is the still the low of the month. This is what monthly low on the calendar month. That's why the stock will be available. So avoiding this scan repaint. So we should use different condition instead of this. Okay. So we are already having an adjustable lower level. That means the low of a particular day, it must be equals to, and you can follow the steps to create equals to bracket, or instead of bracket we will use a minimum function, and it will be helping you low and 30 days. This will never repaint even if you are following this condition. It will. So we have only few number of stocks, but it is a working stocks. Whether it is a stop loss or target, we can look at this 4th October. Lot of stocks we find it here. 3rd October, for this month of October, how many stocks? We find it 4 stocks. Let me find 3rd October. We have a Dabur. Informing a DOJI. This is a DOJI. 3rd October. Perfectly, that was happening on 30 candles low, and even you can increase the number of. So then after I'm finding out the doji, I need to focus the trend reversal above or continuation below, because doji is an indecision, and this time it is giving you the continuation in the downside. Okay, and even one more stock which we find out for this month, it is a very less number of stocks. SBI Life, what is happening on what would be the date is 14/10. So maybe this is the area, and initially it breaks and it may be stop loss, and at this point where it is stop loss, and then it continues the down, but maybe it is triggers here bullish, and then it be bearish. This is what happening at the lowest level. I'm just pointing out. Even it is triggers the low, and still it is available in the scanner. That is called a non-repaint. So I hope you understood the concept, and this is what the scanner which helping you to find out the lowest level doji which forms. Or if you want to finding 60 days low, the 2 months low, that you will be very few number of stocks. This may be a Indusin Bank 2310. After 2 months later, it forming a doji at the bottom. Maybe this on 23 October. At this point, this is the lowest level comparing to the past 2 months, 30, 60 candles. So you can adjust whatever the data you want, you can adjust. Okay, so that's why adjustable scanner will help you to find out the doji at the bottom. So this is what my old scanner I just created 3 years back. And one more conditions also we can create along with this scanner. Let me tell you one interesting thing. And the same doji would be the same. Okay, all the things are same. Okay, the condition is this still the same, but this is what a day which is happening, but it should be 1 day ago. All things should be 1 day ago. Means I will tell you, I will be finding out the confirmation on the doji. So why I'm changing this? Follow the steps and create it 1 day ago. So everything is changed, right? So means what if I'm changing all the things in 1 day ago means Instead of today's doji, it will be finding out yesterday's doji. What happened? Doji formation happened on yesterday. So 1 day prior, if it is, if you see 24th October, we are finding in this bar. Okay, it is 24th October. 1 day ago means it will be showing you yesterday's stock. Okay, that's the reason. We have to change instead of 60, we will change 30, and I'm going to add one more condition. Today, close greater than, close greater than today's open. Okay, same, we adding a few more condition. 2 days ago close less than 2 days ago open. That means 2 days back it is a red candle, and middle day is a doji candle, and next day is a bullish candle. Maybe we will be getting very few number of stocks, and if you finding this and September 10 escorts. So like this we can adding some more condition here. Previous day is a red, next day is a doji, and next day is a bullish candle. So maybe possibly trend reversal after this confirmation, that will be moving very good. And what other stocks? Only few number of stocks we got it. Sun TV on 21.3, Sun TV 21.3. This is what the day, 21 March. So from there around 594, that should be a swing like that which you can use it. I hope this is my very old scanner, and these are all the additional options which you can add it, and you can make this scanner as a more powerful. And we are using lot of doji candle previously 2-3 years back, some requests, and also people who can enjoy the scanner, and I'm just giving you the step-by-step guides to find out the logic and conditions. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So we are reaching nearby 13,000 subscribers on my channel. Only few are on 13-14, and this may be gift for my 13,000 subscribers on my channel. Thank you so much.